Welcome to lesson 3. If you haven't downloaded the practice worksheet, please download it now. Today we're going to talk about singular and plural nouns. Singular means one and plural means one, more than one. It means two or more. So nouns are names of people. For example, teacher, one teacher, two teachers. Friend, friends. Doctor, doctors. Colleague, colleagues. Neighbor, neighbors. These last two words are big and difficult. A colleague is somebody you work with. And a neighbor is somebody who lives next to your house. Let's do it again. Teacher, teachers. Friend, friends. Doctor, doctors. Colleague, colleagues. Neighbor, neighbors. And now irregular means there's no rule. So you have to just learn these ones. Man, men. Woman, women. Child, children. Baby, babies. So let's look at these other ones again. Teacher, friend, doctor, colleague, neighbor. What is the rule? The rule is we just add S. Teacher, teachers. Friend, friends. Doctor, doctors. Colleague, colleagues. Neighbor, neighbors. But man, men, no S. Woman, women, no. Child, children, no S. Baby, babies, there's an S there. Animals, dog, dogs. Cat, cats. Elephant, elephants. Lion, lions. Bird, birds. And irregular, fish, fish. Mouse, mice. Places, park, parks. School, schools. Shop, shops. Village, villages. Restaurant, restaurants. City, cities. Country, countries. Look up these words. If you don't know them, look them up. And things, book, books. Computer, computers. Car, cars. Phone, phones. Table, tables. And irregular, knife, knives. Tooth, teeth. Box, boxes. So let's look at some spelling rules. We are going to do this again, so don't worry if it's a little bit difficult now. Words or nouns that end in S, X, SH, CH, or Z, we add ES to make it more than one. But listen to the way I say it, and that will tell you how to do it. For example, watch, watches. Can you hear? You can hear the E. Watch, watches. Glass, glasses. Box, boxes. Tomato, tomatoes. Right. Also, if the noun ends in F, we change the F to a V. So, for example, leaf, we'll change it to leaves. Right sounds, not leaves. Leaf, leaves. Knife, knives. And then nouns that end in a consonant and a Y. A consonant is a letter. A is a vowel. B is a consonant. C, D. Consonants. E is not a consonant. E is a vowel. F, G, H are consonants, not I. J, K, L, M, N, not O. P, Q, R, S, T, not U. V, W, X, Y, Z. So A and E and I and O and U are not consonants, they are vowels. So if it ends in a consonant and a Y, we change the Y to an I. Baby, babies. city, cities. Now don't worry if this is a little bit difficult, but download the worksheet and practice, and we will do this again. The spelling rules we will do again. Right, so we'll see you next time for the verb to be negative.